2019 Health Insurance 101, Top Things to Know. Hey, it's Kagan with Brightby.com, where we take the sting out of insurance searching. And if you like the sound of that, go ahead and give us a thumbs up right down there. You've been searching for information about health insurance in 2019, and health insurance can be really complicated and hard to understand. So to help make things a little simpler, I'm going to give you the top 10 things to know about health insurance in 2019. 1. Everyone needs health insurance. Under Obamacare, or some people call it the Affordable Care Act, all American citizens must have qualifying health care. If you don't have health insurance meeting the government standards, you have to pay fees when you file your federal income tax returns. 2. For your plan to qualify under Obamacare, it has to include 10 essential benefits. These include 1. Ambulatory patient services. 2. Emergency services. 3. Hospitalization for surgery or overnight stays. 4. Pregnancy, maternity, and newborn care. 5. Mental health and substance use disorder services. 6. Prescription drugs. 7. Rehabilitative and habilitative services and devices. 8. Lab services. 9. Preventive and wellness services. 10. Pediatric services. If your plan offers services with all of these categories, it qualifies under the Affordable Care Act. The type of health insurance you have will depend on your individual situation. You might have health insurance provided by your employer, or if you are a senior citizen over 65, you are eligible for Medicare under the government. It doesn't necessarily matter what type you have as long as it meets the government standards and provides you with the coverage you need. Check out a video we did about the different types of health insurance and how to know which one is best for you. Health insurance splits the cost of medical services between the consumer and the insurer. This split is categorized into tiers: bronze, silver, gold, and platinum. Bronze is the most balanced tier, and the platinum is the widest split. Because the consumer pays more out of pocket with a bronze plan, the premiums are normally the lowest, while the opposite is true for the platinum plans. Health insurance costs will differ depending on the type of plan, as well as several other factors. Most people are obviously searching for the best and the most affordable deal, but a common mistake is to go for a plan with the lowest premium. Just because the premium is cheap doesn't mean that it's the cheapest plan. With lower premiums, you'll typically end up paying more in out-of-pocket expenses than with plans that have higher premiums. There are 5 factors that go into determining your premium. They are your age, your location, whether or not you use tobacco, whether or not you are an individual or a family, and your plan category. Health insurance providers aren't allowed to use any factors outside of these 5 when determining the cost of your premium. Typical health insurance doesn't cover everything you might want. For instance, dental insurance will be under a separate plan all on its own. It's relatively inexpensive, even for the most robust plans. Vision insurance is the same. It's separate from your broader health insurance plan. However, major eye surgeries are normally covered under your broad plan, but check it out with an insurance agent. When shopping for health insurance, there's only one period of the year that it's allowed. This period is called the Open Enrollment period, and you will not be able to purchase a new health insurance plan outside of that period. Special enrollment periods start with a qualifying event. This is exactly as it sounds, an event that qualifies you for special enrollment. These events are things like turning 26, getting married, having a baby, or moving to a new zip code. Some states also have additional qualifying events. To find the best health insurance plan for you, take into account how healthy you are, how often you utilize medical services, and what your financial capabilities are. If you are healthy and rarely visit the doctor, it will probably be more affordable to have a higher deductible, which will come with a lower premium. On the other hand, if you have chronic illness or are in poor health, you'll likely want a plan with higher premiums but lower deductibles and out-of-pocket costs. Again, this is all up to you. But don't just take our word for it. It's important to speak with a health insurance provider and an insurance agent if you have any questions about your health insurance plan or intend on searching for anything new in regards to health insurance. Check out Brightby.com for trusted and licensed health insurance experts, and subscribe to our channel for other health insurance tips and information. And last thing, stay healthy and eat those veggies.
Thanks for watching our video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.